Hello everyone, welcome to KD Jaya YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can write an SH script using Jeda AI and how you can automate all the tasks. Maybe installation of Nginx, maybe installation of Apache, and also installing SSL with something. Okay, actually you can automate anything using these kind of shell scripts. So let me begin with Jeda AI first. Okay, first you have to go to Jeda AI, then you can type here as like this. I need you to write a SH script to I need you to write a SH script to install okay, I will say Apache and make an index.html file with a sample web page. Okay, this is what I needed to type, and then I will click on this generate option here. Then you will be able to get the code. Okay, code means actually this is called shell script, and now I need to go to where AWS and go to go with sign in into the console. Then you can type your credentials, and I will type my credentials here. By the way, I think I already logged in, right? No, I have to log in. Wait. Okay, I logged in, and if you don't have an AWS account, then you have to register with AWS. Then you will be able to make. I think you got about $300 or something like that, maybe free trial. Okay. By the way, now I need to type here as LightSail because I'm going to use a LightSail server here. Okay, and this is LightSail. You have to click on it. Then wait until it loads. Okay. My internet speed is too fast. Don't worry about that. Okay, now you can see it says good evening. Okay, good evening. And here I'm going to click on this create instance button. Then I will choose whatever the region I need. Actually, I always select Singapore because it's the nearest country. Okay. However, I think it's best for me. Okay, and also, and I think we have to use Linux or Unix platform here, and then we can click on this operating system only part, and here I'm going to click on this Ubuntu 22.0 for LTS version, and then here after that you can click on this option 512 MB memory, which is only $3.5 per month, and you can see first 3 months are free. Okay, it's okay. By the way, now you have to type something here, maybe KDJ test server or something like that. And then, wait, where's that? Then you have to, okay, you will connect to your instance using the KDJ key or whatever you got. I mean, if you don't have a key, then you have to click on this change SSH key pair. Then you can download the default key or you can make a new key. Okay, I'm going to create a new key here, create new and then create button. And I'm going to say that KDJ test YT and generate key pair here. Now it generated the SH key, and now I'm going to download the private key by using that. Okay, cool. That's all. Then you have to click this KDJ test YT because if you selected something different, then you won't be able to log in through that private key. By the way, after all, you have to click on this create instance. That's all. No more configurations because from now on all the configurations will be done by the SH script we wrote using Jeda AI. Okay, you can use maybe ChatGPT, Google Gemini or whatever you got, but I really like this because Jeda AI has got the power to do all things because it has multimodal system, especially GPT 3.5 Turbo, 4 Turbo and 3 Haiku, Cloud 3 Haiku and Cloud 3 Sonnet. So those are the powers that Jeda AI got. So if you use Jeda AI Shift plan, then you got all the model powers. Okay, and here now I think my LightSail is working, and wait, it's pending it. By the way, it should be ready now. Yeah, as I said, it's running now. Cool. Here you can click on this, and then you can I think you can log into the terminal as app. By the way, now I'm going to take this IP here, right click and then copy, and I'm going to open the Puty. If you don't have the Puty, not Puty Gen, actually you have to open the Puty. If you don't have the Puty, you have to download Puty by yourself. Okay, Puty download, just Google it, and then you will be able to see download Puty here. Then you can click on this download Puty link here, and then you can select the version that you got, right? Maybe Windows or Linux or whatever you got, whatever you got. Okay, and here after Puty open, then you can paste the IP here, host name. Okay, host name or IP address. So I don't have a host name, by the way. I got a IP address. Now after pasting the IP, port is 22, it's okay. By the way, now you have to go to the connection and then SSH. Here you have to click on this plus icon, and then you can click on this auth. Especially you have to click on this auth plus icon and then go to credentials. Then you will see a section that you have to give the private key. Just click on this browse button, and then you can go to the download. Where's that? Okay, good. I'm going to find the key. Wait. Okay, I'm going to add the. Okay, now I'm going to again. I'm going to go with the key again. Browse, desktop, new folder tree. I just got it. New folder tree, and then here. Okay, I got it. Wait. Here you got the PEM. Okay, and I think you have to convert it to what? Convert it to PPK. Wait. But how you can do that? Let's see. I'm opening PutyGen here. PutyGen file load private key, desktop, new. Actually, it's also asking for the PPK. Wait. How we can do that? I think we don't need that, by the way. Wait. Okay, I'm going to click on this one and then all files, and then I'm going to select the KDJ test YT here and then open. Now you don't need anything. Just click on this open button here. Now it will ask to accept something. Just click on it. Now it asks for the what? Actually, it asks something, but the problem is it's on all PEM format. Actually, PM format. I think I remember that I generated something from that PEM. Okay, wait. Yeah. The thing I did before is right. Okay. Actually, you have to open the PutyGen here and then click on this load option here. Now you can go to desktop and desktop or whatever you got. Okay, and new folder tree. Here I am going to select all files, and then I am going to select this PEM and open. Then you will be able to get the PEM loaded here, and then not the PEM. Actually, it's called PEM file. And now I'm going to save the private key here. Okay, just click on this save private key without a passphrase. Yes, and I'm going to say KDJ test YT. KDJ test YT. Don't use PEM. Okay, PEM. Don't use that. Actually, I'm going to say KDJ test YT here and then save. That's all. Just close it. Now I'm going to open the Puty again, not PutyGen, Puty. And I'm going to copy the IP again, paste it, SSH, auth, credentials, browse. Okay, and then you can see the PPK file is here, and then double click on it and open. Now we can see the login as you didn't get any messages which was denied or something like that, but I'm going to say, actually I'm going to type here as Ubuntu and then enter. Now you can see we logged into the server easily, right? Actually not easy, but it's okay. You have to convert PEM to PPK. That's all what you have to do. Okay, actually now let's see what we can do. If we get the IP, okay, wait, just click on this one, then you will be able to see all the information on this server. Here we got 512 MB RAM and 2 vCPUs and also 20 GB RAM. By the way, here you got an IP connect to 18.1.143.63.186, and here, yeah, this is a public IPv4 and this is the private IPv4. Actually, I'm going to copy the public one and then paste it somewhere, not somewhere, actually on URL bar. I think it will give nothing, okay, because we don't have anything on the server, right? Okay, cool. Now I'm going to copy the bash, okay, bash given by the Jeda AI. Just double click on this, and now you have to start from this one, bin bash here, until sudo system restart Apache 2. Okay, you have to copy this one, okay, and then go to this terminal here Now you have to type. First you have to check where you are at. I think it's on root. Okay, just type ls, nothing else. Actually nothing is there. And now I'm going to type nano hello.sh, hello.sh, and then I will right click. Then you can see all the copied things has been pasted here, right? And Control X to save, and I have to press Y. Again I have to press enter. So that's how we save a file using Linux terminal. And here it says Apache installed sh, but we just installed it. Actually we just made it as hello.sh. You can see it by using ls again. Okay, now you can see the file here, hello.sh. By the way, now I'm going to type chmod plus x hello.sh to give the write access to that hello.sh file. I think write or read, whatever they got. Okay, now I have to run that file by using ./hello.sh and then press enter. Now you can see something is happening. So what is this? Actually the thing is, whatever we wrote, actually we didn't write anything. Okay, actually whatever you wrote on the sh shell script, then it actually it turns to be running again. Okay, running again and again. So let's see what happens here. So it will install Apache, and it will make a new file called index.html with some sample code. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to log in to the system, log into the server, and wait what it does. Actually just remember, not like this. I just got a small technique. Okay, I just got a small thing that you can try, but you can install an ERP. Okay, maybe ERP next Odoo using this one. Also you got the sh script on the internet, but if you don't have, if you have a different kind of a script which doesn't have on the internet, actually then you can use this method. Okay, now all the things are done. Let's see by refreshing the refreshing the server IP. Now we got the hello world here. Okay guys, how it works, let's see. First ls, then cd slash, then you can type ls again, and cd var ls, cd www ls, and cd html ls. Here you can see nano index.html. So by using nano you can edit the file. Here you got the hello world script sample page has a title and hello world on the body. Guys, this is perfect, right? Okay, whether it's perfect or not, you can try it. I think you got the full tutorial. Maybe there are some English issues. Okay, actually I'm just practicing by myself, don't worry about that. And really thank you very much if you watch this video until the end, and I appreciate if you can comment what you learned today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.